let's move forward to the other settings here. Probably this first. And you can actually learn more about this here to customize it on your own way, but in my own setup, I just auto trash this so that it won't this is the trash file. It will automatically delete the trash file in my servers within my users, so that it won't consume a lot of storage. And also for this, in case your server is already is failing because of a storage issue, let's say if your storage is already at a maximum, then you will not be able to receive an email, but it will just you will still receive it once your storage is already fixed. So there will be a time period that you will be able to receive that message. Just check on this here. Compared to the default one, which is it will automatically reject the message permanently, which we don't want to do, because in case an important client messages us and we have not attended the storage issue, then it will totally be rejected. So that's it. Let's just save it. So once that's done, let's move forward to the other one, which is the DNS.